Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, Bethel, and this is the long-awaited fashion show video. So my whole journey started at a thrift store when I found out they sell stuff on Mondays for $1. So come in with me and let's have fun. Okay, so you are probably wondering what I'm doing at the thrift store. Oh well, the fashion project had the theme of reconstruction. So basically we're supposed to take paper or old clothing and make new stuff. So I decided to use denim for my project. So what better place to find old denim than the thrift store? And on a day where everything is $1 for each item. So I got about 10 denim or more, and I got them in plus size just so I could get enough fabric. So before I jumped into the project, I washed them first and then started cutting out the patterns in the way I wanted them. So it was more like a grid thing. So it was like a mixed match of all the denim. So this was really tough for me. But then eventually this came out. This was actually the day it was due. This was literally the night it was due. I don't know why I didn't do it on time, but it was so much work trying to arrange those stuff to match on each side, and so it took me about 3 days actually, and this was the night which it was due, and this was me trying to do the finishing touches. So fast forward to the fashion show.
Are you kidding me? What? So we have to meet of course. My brother, yeah, they're horrible. Yeah.
So, hi guys. Hi. We're here today at the HTC fashion show.
Yep.
And this is model Jessica. How do you feel How do you feel?
I'm nervous.
Okay.
But I'm happy.
You're happy.
I'm good.
Have you made some new friends or connections?
I'm trying.
Ooh, love those shoes.
Thank you.
And you? Yeah, so how do you feel being the designer of whatever she's going to?
I'm excited because it's my first outfit that's walking the runway. So,
Okay.
you're not going to hear anything else.
Yeah, it's really noisy here.
It's supposed to
Okay, so we're gonna see you guys later when she has fitted the coat. Bye guys.
When she wore the outfit, it was a perfect fit. I don't know if it was the outfit or her that's more beautiful, but obviously my outfit is nice. But Jessica knows how to flaunt the outfit. Just wait till you see her walk the runway. You see what I mean? Just look at her go. See how flaunts my outfits. I owe her so much thanks. So these were the other designs by other students. Then these are the designers. Oh wait, hold up. Let's skip all the drama. Skip all the drama. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, I see me. Do you see me? The one with the beads on her head, the one that does the peace sign. Yeah, that's me. after the fashion show, Jess decided to do a photo shoot and she had to use my outfit. I mean, that was like a blessing. I'm still blushing till this day. But then that was some clips from the photo shoot. I'm gonna link his Instagram, the photographer. I'm gonna link his Instagram in the description box. So if you want to check him out, if you're still in Houston and you're a photographer. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about the outfits or think about the outfits. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to speak English. Let me know what you think about the outfits in the comment section down below. And if you want to purchase the outfit like as is, just send me a DM on Instagram, and the person who offers the highest price, it sells to the person. Just let me know what you think. I'll really appreciate your feedback. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Please, 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 and please, I cannot emphasize subscription. Subscribe and share. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.